Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is N5 Strength of Material. Please, you may subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed, and click the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So we've given this is a shear stress in a punching hole plate. I want us to discuss. Now we're talking about punching. When you are punching, right, it's no longer about the revent. No, we remember in the previous video focused on the revent on the bolt. No, we are no longer necessarily looking on the, we are not looking on the bolts, but this type, it's when you're given a mental plate, right? But you focus on the area that is shared on the plate, not on the bolt. To focus on the plate. Okay, let us deal with this. Here we have given question says figure 1.26 shows, here we've given that shows an operating that needs a force of 30 kilonewton to punch a hole. Once you notice this words punch a hole, you must very careful a hole with a diameter of that. You see the hole in a steel plate, 15 millimeter in a steel plate with the thickness of this, which is this is thickness of the plate, this the thickness of the plate. Says determine the shear stress in the plate. We're focusing on this path now. On the plate, we're focusing on the plate, the shear there. You see there's a shear, that shear. But now to find out the area there, the area of that, only that space. Why, if you want the area of that part, you must know that will be pi multiplied by d multiplied by what? By thickness. As always, you must know this. It's always, you see, we are given a single. If you are given a single mental, let's say now it was two mental, there's another mental here, mental plate. If you have given two mental plate on the bottom here, we have how many? Let's say you have given another on the bottom, that assume that it's on the bottom, you will have two holes. Depends on the number of plate. If the plate, remember you have given a single, this is a single plate. If you have a single plate, you'll have one here, one revent. Focus on one. If you have given two plates, not single, you'll have two area. If you've given three plates, you'll have three area, so and so on, depending on this plate, that you have punched, right? So yeah, guys, so this is what it is. So we want determine the shear stress. I dislike this color. Sorry about this. I dislike this color. I like the black one. Okay, the shear stress, we know, guys, does not change. The shear stress is equal to force over area. Remember, the area is the punched hole. Is the punched hole. Is the area of the punch hole of the part of the plate, and then this will always be equals to pi. Remember, it's depending what kind of punch did they use. You see, they used is the circular, meaning that it's a circle. If the circle, you must have pi multiplied by diameter multiplied by t. So this is what you have. You must be that always the area. So as I says, then the area there will be equals to pi diameter multiplied by t on that plate. Pi, what is the diameter that is being removed here? This one, they've removed this size, 50 millimeter. You divide this 50 millimeter by 1000, you get this to be 0.05 meter. So divide also this 4 by 1000, that will be 0.004 meter. So that is thickness. Remember, here we'll have 0.05, then the thickness is 0.004. Then if you multiply this, the area, or you can punch it, you can, but because, do you see this number, most they are not that much bad. It's up to you. You can punch it like this, or instant you can use it directly, depend on you, or you can use it directly. Shear stress, we have given the force, which is we've given the force, which it was here 30 kilonewton. Can use it directly and say 30 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3 all over the area. You can use it direct to the area as it is 0.005 into 0.5 into 0.004. It's up to you actual. You see this way, this is nicely. So if you punch this guy, there you find out the shear stress. It's what, 47,746 megapascal. Right, so this is what you will have there. It's a shear. So do not forget the summary that I've talked about. Told you sometimes you can have plenty plates depending on the plates that you may have. Depending on the plates, you can have several number of plates. Depends on how many plates they give you, but I've shown you. So this is how it is, guys. This is how it is, right? So thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video.